In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom and zoom to fit in Revit using the mouse wheel. If you're working in a 3D view in Revit, your mouse wheel is the fastest, most intuitive way to control how close or far you are from your model. First, make sure your cursor is inside the 3D view window. Revit pays attention to where the cursor is, so the spot under your cursor is the point it tries to move toward or away from when you zoom. That little detail makes a big difference in precision. To zoom in, gently roll the wheel forward. You'll see the model draw closer to the area under your cursor. To zoom out, roll the wheel backward and the view pulls away, giving you more of the model in frame. Try using slow, deliberate rolls when you want fine control, especially around tight details or small components. Quick rolls are great for covering large distances fast, but they can be disorienting if you overshoot. If the direction feels inverted compared to other apps you use, don't worry. Just get a feel for how Revit responds, and your muscle memory will adapt quickly. As you zoom, remember that what you're doing is effectively dollying the camera in and out of the scene, centered on your cursor. If you're trying to get close to a specific area, place your cursor directly over that element before rolling the wheel. If your cursor is off in empty space, Revit will zoom toward that empty space instead, which can make it feel like you're drifting past the model. Now, if you ever feel lost in the model or too close to a detail, use a quick reset. Simply double-click the mouse wheel. Revit will instantly zoom to fit the entire 3D view within the window, framing everything that's currently visible. This is incredibly helpful after navigating deep into a corner of your project or when you've zoomed out too far and want a clean, full model view again. Think of it as a one-click way to reorient yourself and regain context. A couple of quick tips as you practice. Keep the cursor near the area you care about. That keeps the zoom focused and efficient. If the zoom feels too jumpy or too slow, take shorter wheel rolls for finer control. And if double-clicking the wheel doesn't seem to trigger zoom to fit, make sure you're actually double-clicking the wheel button and that your cursor is inside the 3D view. That's it. With rolling to zoom and a double click to fit, you have everything you need for smooth, confident navigation in Revit's 3D views.